The Luil files released by the NBI to the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee showed new code names. There were also several request letters to various agencies. This report by Sam Ramirez.
Before the National Bureau of Investigation submitted a copy of Ben-Hur Luis' hard drive to the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee, they discovered that some files were deleted. By using a software, they were able to find out which files were deleted, but they were not able to retrieve most of the files. Some of the file names include familiar code names such as Sexy, Tanda, and Pogi. But in the deleted file folder, some new code names are seen. These are Dahon, Bigote, Bonget, Bonjing, and Big Boy. In addition, some of the deleted files include Marcos, Soto, and Ochoa. Meanwhile, in the ODT folder or Open Documents folder, hundreds of Word documents and other file types can be found. Most of the Word documents are request letters to heads of agencies such as the Department of Agriculture, Department of Agrarian Reform, and Department of Budget and Management. Most letters are about requests for implementation of projects using the Priority Development Assistance Fund of letters. Some letters even indicate which municipalities would receive the project. However, all of the letters are unsigned. Some letters don't even have the name of the signee. In the same folder, several letters addressed to President Aquino were found. One letter is about a request for the immediate release of 300 million pesos worth of funds to be used as aid in Misamis Oriental, Cagayan de Oro, where a calamity has struck. But just like the other letters, this one also does not have a signee to identify who wrote the letter. For the People's Television, Sam Ramirez.